Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out exploring some roads here in southern Arizona. So it's like a road, but maybe more of a creek bed. But it's a beautiful day to go do this. Thought I might even look for some mushrooms. Now, I don't know much about mushrooms in Arizona like we used to find in Missouri, but when I see a sycamore like this, I want to stop and look anyway. It's kind of dry. I mean, we've had lots of rain, but still kind of dry. Something grew there, but I'm not sure what that is. You never know. Might be nothing. The road definitely don't go up in here. It goes up that way. I can see it. There was some water flowing. See where it come down through here. Some moss looking stuff washed up there. See, nothing. See another sycamore up there, but I gotta get to it. Of course, I don't know here what they grow under if they do. Or if they do. Look at that burl on that tree. Going out on that limb and a big burl right there. That's kind of weird. Never seen one quite like that. There's another barrel there, and one up there. There's all of these trees out here. It's kind of weird. Well, I don't see no mushrooms, and I've been looking around here for a while. But this is new territory for me. I'm used to the Ozarks, hunting in there. So, if I find some, I'll definitely video it. It is pretty out in here. I like it. Pretty cool place. There's a bunch of old sycamore stuff out here. And it may be a little too late here. I don't know how the mushrooms work here. May have to go find another spot and look. It'd help if there was some more rain. It rained over a week ago, but needs to rain again for sure. Because it gets dry here real fast after a rain. And I found the bike again. Kind of come up here off the trail, kind of hide the bike while I'm away from it, so it's not on the road. We'll go look somewhere else. No luck here. But there's a lot of sycamores. So southern Arizona, I don't know. I mean, Missouri's different. I'm sure the mushroom hunting's a lot different there than it is here. But I did hear that there is morels here. So we'll go see. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. If you have any tips about mushroom hunting in southern Arizona, let me know. Right on.